Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4, and on the right, we have the REDTIGER F7NP. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's kick things off with the most important feature of a dash cam: video quality. The Vantrue N4 boasts a stunning 4K resolution for its front camera and 1080p for the rear and interior cameras. That means you'll be able to see every little detail from license plates to road signs. Driving at night can be a real challenge, but not with these dash cams. The Vantrue N4 comes equipped with infrared night vision, allowing it to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. No more blurry videos when you need them the most. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Vantrue N4 may not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but it offers a 24-hour parking mode. It continuously records and decreases video quality to maximize recording quantity. And with the optional GPS, you can track your route, location, and speed. The moment we've all been waiting for, the price. The Vantrue N4 comes in at $289, while the REDTIGER F7NP is priced at $198. Overall, the Vantrue N4 is considered a top choice for a 3-channel dash camera with clear video quality and reliability. On the other hand, reviewers highly recommend the REDTIGER F7NP for its exceptional video quality, user-friendly interface, and excellent customer service. And there you have it, folks. The Vantrue N4 and the REDTIGER F7NP battled it out, and it was a close call in every category. Remember, both dash cams are fantastic choices, so you can't go wrong with either one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Buy Smart videos. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.